Apple cider vinegar, 5 shocking benefits you didn't know. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Apple cider vinegar isn't just for salad dressing, it has some shocking benefits that can change your life. Stick around to learn 5 incredible ways ACV can improve your health. And number 5 might surprise you the most. Welcome to Vital Vibes 1, your go-to source for natural remedies and holistic healing. If you love learning about simple and natural ways to stay healthy, now let's dive into the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. Benefit number 1, boosts weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can help you shed unwanted weight by increasing your metabolism and reducing your appetite. Studies show that drinking ACV before meals can help you feel fuller, leading to fewer calories consumed throughout the day. Just 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before meals might be your secret weapon for fat loss. Benefit number 2, supports digestion and gut health. If you suffer from bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, ACV could be the solution you need. The acidic acid in apple cider vinegar helps promote the growth of good gut bacteria, improving digestion and reducing bloating. Try drinking a diluted mix of ACV before meals to support your gut health. Benefit number 3, balances blood sugar levels. One of the most powerful effects of ACV is its ability to regulate blood sugar. Studies have shown that consuming ACV before meals can lower blood sugar spikes, making it a great natural remedy for those dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. If you struggle with energy crashes, adding ACV to your daily routine could help stabilize your blood sugar. Benefit number 4, detoxifies the and your liver and kidneys work hard to filter toxins, and ACV can help support their natural detox process. The antioxidants in ACV help flush out harmful toxins from your system, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. Drinking ACV in the morning with warm water and lemon can kickstart your body's detoxification process. Benefit number 5, improves skin and hair health. Here's the one you might not have expected. Apple cider vinegar is fantastic for your skin and hair. It helps balance the skin's pH, reducing acne, irritation, and even dandruff. A diluted ACV rinse can leave your hair shiny, soft, and free from buildup. Just mix ACV with water and apply it to your scalp before rinsing for healthier hair. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more natural health tips, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos on holistic healing. See you in the next video.